9m plus 8, where m is some integer. Let a be a positive integer, on dividing a by b is equal to 3. Okay, letter q is a quotient and r is a remainder. Let q is a quotient and r is a remainder. Then by Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to 3q. Q is a quotient plus remainder r, where r is lies between 0 and divides 3. So possible values of r is equal 0, 1, 2. A be a positive integer, on dividing a by b is equal to 3. There exists let q be a quotient, r be remainder. By Euclid division lemma, a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is less between 0 and 1, including 0. So possible values of 0 and 3, possible values of r is 0, 1, 2. Here take r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3q, r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1, r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2. Therefore, positive integer is of the form, a is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. If r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3q. If r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1. If r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now, case 1, if r is equal to 0, then a is equal to, take 3q, cubing on both sides, a cube is equal 3q whole cube is equal, 3 cube means 27 into cube. 27 can be written as 9 into 3 into cube. So this is the 9 into m, where m is an integer, where m is equal to 3 cube is an integer. Therefore, a is a positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Case 1, take a is equal to 3q. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. Now, in case 2, a is equal to, take a is equal to 3q plus 1. If r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1. Cubing on both sides, a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. This is in the form of x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube. X cube means 3q whole cube plus 3x square y. 3 into 3q whole square into 1 plus 3xy square. 3 into 3q is x, y square means 1 square. X plus 1 whole cube. X value is 3q, let x value is 3q and y value is 1. X cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Y cube means 1 cube. Then A is equal A cube is equal, next converts 3 cube whole cube means 27 cube. Next plus 3 into 3 cube whole square 9 cube square into 1 plus 3 into 3 cube into 1 square means 1 plus 1 cube value 1. So next 27 cube plus 3 9 the 27 cube square into 1 27 cube square 1 plus 3 3 the 9 into 1 9 cube plus 1 plus 1. First three terms, this one and this one and this one, these three terms take 9 as common. Here 9 take common means 3 cube 3 into cube plus here 9 common 3 into remaining are 3 into q square plus here 9 common cube plus 1. Here in bracket value take m means 9m plus 1 where m is 3 cube plus 3 q square plus cube. So cube of case 2, suppose positive integer is in the form of 3q plus 1. If r is equal to 1, then a is 3q plus 1. Cubing on both sides, a cube is 9m plus 1, is in the form of 9m plus 1. Next case 3, if r is equal to 3, then a is equal to, here r is equal to 1 0, here r is equal to 1, here r is equal to 2, then a is equal to, if r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2. Cubing on both sides, we get a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Same as case 2. X plus y whole cube formula. X cube means 3x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube is equal to 27, 3 cube value 27 into q cube plus 3 into 3q whole square means 9q square into 2 plus 3 into 3q into 4, 3 into 3q into 4, 2 square value 4 plus 2 cube is 8, 27 cube plus 3 9s are 27, 2s are 54 q square plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 cube plus 8. First three terms take 9 as a common. Here 9 take common means 3 into cube remaining. Here 9 take common 6 9s are 54. So 6 into q square plus here 9 take common 9 4s are means 36 4 cube plus 8 is equal to 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Therefore, cube of any positive integer of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay. Therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay.